So I'm busy with this jacket, but I'm doing red ones. You know, it's just not to keep me busy during these holidays and to prepare more a little bit, you know, for the winter and so on. Maybe I can sell these jackets in the winter. I actually already have a client for the one jacket. So I'm just going to finish that. Today is a lovely Sunday, a lovely sunny day. And yeah, we had a lovely Christmas. It was actually raining on Christmas Day, but around 12 o'clock it cleared up and then the sun came out. So that was nice. So I thought, let me get busy a little bit with this. Because it's such a beautiful day. And the rain really helps for the vegetables that I planted. Yeah, so I don't really have a lot of, I'm just more preparing this, and I'm working on a few stuff for the new year, the coming weeks and so on. There's a few things that I want to do. I want to focus specifically on the safari shirts. That is an important thing for me, to get that thing going. And then because this year wasn't that successful with regard to it, and I think this year will be better. I don't make a lot of New Year's resolutions. It's not really something that I do. I believe either you do it or you don't. And you can do it anytime. Don't have to wait for New Year. So, you know, it's like clothing. If you go to the shop, you buy what you like, and you buy what you don't, and you don't buy what you don't like. So it's that simple. So I'm not one for New Year's resolutions. I just plan for 3 years or mostly 5 years, and then I try to achieve that. But what I do believe is you, at the end of the year, you must at least say that you've got something, you know, that you've done something the year that has passed, and that you didn't do nothing for the year. Because I don't think one year can be like the other year. But in any case, so yeah, so I just have a few things that I'm going to add to what I did this year, because there's only so much time in the day. But yeah, so I think this jacket will turn out nicely. I'm going to make 2 of them. No, if I can fit 3, yeah, I will probably make 3, but yeah. So yeah, so this was just a short video. I'm going to keep the video short in the future as well, because I don't think people want to sit through 20 minutes of video of what's going on here at the studio. Okay.